if he doesn't go through the same door. Okay.
No, you're being difficult.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, he's right.
Miss Addison.
No.
You got in first, so he has to literally crawl across you.
He just has to stop. No, I have to squeeze against Daddy's seat. Is that a cat? Ah, you were fooled. His notorious taser. His notorious plan has worked.
Nefarious plans has worked.
Shush!
What do you shush me?
Yeah.
You shush me, girl.
I shush you.
No, you don't. No, you shush me. Are you got your stun gun sunglasses again?
No, it's actually a stun gun this side. They're sunglasses. No.
Well, thank you.
It's actually sunglasses. No, taser.
Don't tase the driver, that's dangerous. Only tase the driver if you want to die.
Death note sentence.
Death note? Yes. Ooh, boy. You can definitely tell the fall's coming, man. Well, no. For the leaves are. This is Florida. This is not like New York. But where the sun is in the sky.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to fall.
Okay. Jokes. Hey, you gotta take those jokes. I want you to put them in your pocket. Okay? You save them for a rainy day. Oh boy, look at this traffic. I don't think I'm coming back this way. Yeah, I don't know what the school bus schedule is like around here.
1,000 cars.
Yeah, I know. That's super awesome. Like, I really want to sit here for an hour. But see, the only problem with this is I could come back this way and wait just as long.
Oh, looks like somebody got busted.
But if I go... No, we got busted. That's construction. That's not red and blue lights. That's just a warning light to know that people might be walking around there that are working.
That just looks like a blinker on a car going crazy.
Well, they're white blinkers, so it's like a warning. This person running up on my bumper. Speed limit's 40 miles an hour, people. Do not press the issue.
Yeah, they're taking down the sign.
What sign? Oh, the like one of those big ones, those billboards?
Yes.
Probably not taking it down, they're just changing it.
Well, it looks very broken to me.
We're gonna put up a big old billboard of our family poster for our channel. It's got your guys' faces on it. And so it's got Ari's dirt face and Addison's dirt face, so everybody can see it when they're driving on the major highway.
Remember when Daddy did that? When Ari did that great face?
I still have that on my phone.
And the baseball thing? You still have to have your wallpaper.
I believe I do. Oh yeah, we went to the Tampa Bay Rays game. That was fun. Oh my god. You're doing creep face right now. I don't like it. Don't like it!
It looks like Waluigi. I had to do the wah. I had to do it. I had to do the wah.
Oh my goodness.
Is that moment when you need to do the wah.
Alright, let me, there's ice cream this week? mean, that's every week now, right? You're sure? You're 100% sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you keep weighing about? Oh God, no. I don't. I had enough of that. Staying up all night, feeding you guys, changing your diapers, especially Miss Addison's rocket butt, pooping rockets. Never seen a baby do that before, by the way.
Just poop rocket ships.
Yeah. Like missiles, man. Ballistic missiles of poop.
Where we're going in a
Nuka poop? What?
Yes.
What is Nuka poop?
It's a nuke made of poop.
Don't like that idea.
And it explodes diarrhea.
Oh! Oh my God. I just got like the worst picture of like water balloons filled with diarrhea.
Oh my gosh.
That's a you know what, that's a no. That's a public health risk right there.
I just imagine people swallowing them too.
Yeah, I suppose we could make like brown pudding water balloons and just make them smell bad. You know, with like a stink bomb or something.
If you throw that at me, I will dodge it.
No, you won't, because you won't even know it's coming, because I don't really throw those things at you. One day it would be like, hey, Ari, whoop, bang! Poo, pudding, water balloon.
No,
okay,
I'll
this is making me nervous. There's like no traffic. Are we like super late, or is traffic just non-existent on Thursdays? I'm starting to think Thursdays traffic is non-existent. I have no idea what time it is.
The traffic has been
man, there's like no traffic. I feel like we're late. Are we late today?
Check the time.
I wonder if Flo will fix the time on this thing. I can't tell. No, there's a decent amount of people over there. I think we're good.
Yep, we're not late.
Nah, it's just usually we're like half a mile back down this road.
We're so used to it, we get scared.
Look at this Chrysler. Oh, now you're using your blinker. Lucky this camera's on, or I would be screaming at you like you can actually hear me. Okie dokie, here we go.
Screaming like a cicada.
Oh God, they are so loud down here. Well, I mean, are they anywhere else? I don't know. Are cicadas like warm climate?
Arizona.
See, look at this guy. Look at this. Jeez. Just can't be patient. Arizona?
Yeah.
So it is like hot climates?
Yeah. And why aren't they in the desert?
I don't know. You guys definitely know better than I would. I don't know a lot about them. You probably learn about them in your nature class, right? No, you don't?
If they live...
Or just in general, you know?
Yeah, just in general. If they live in hot climates, then why aren't there any in the desert? Because there's no trees.
You know, their biome is too dangerous out in the desert. And out there, they'd probably get cooked literally like a barbecue.
You can barbecue steak.
Sorry, no, right now you'd probably fry an egg in our parking lot if you really want to eat it off the ground.
Wow.
One time when we were visiting down here, when we used to live in New York, I walked to the pool with you guys. At Great Papa's house when he was still living there.
Yeah.
I burned the bottom of my feet so bad it literally cooked the meat in my feet. So I definitely know for sure that you can cook food on a pavement like that. Man, my feet didn't recover for, it felt like 3 months at least. I'm supposed to get gas.
Why? Do you almost have?
Yeah, I gotta get more.
And you also had some time before we got to the
No, you're 100% correct, Addison. I didn't expect the gas gauge to dip below the sensor. Seatbelts.
Power of what?
That's a nice haircut. How did you do that?
Do the
No, stop with creep face. You're gonna do the wham. He's gonna do the psycho creep face.
Wow. Oh no.
Oh my goodness! I jinx wham.
Do the hat and sunglasses. Like.
The hat and sunglasses. That's like super creep factor 10.
Daddy, someone random's in our car.
Oh my god! You know, for like half a second there, you legitimately scared the poop out of me. Look at you. Look like an old timer ready to go to the dog track.
Instead of Pokemon, he catches dogs.
And he, like in real, like plastic balls.
How do
dogs gotta catch 'em all?
Oh boy. Look at this vehicle. Is that an Atlas? What is an Atlas? I've never heard of the Atlas before.
Well, how about you? Mind your business.
Mind my business.
Yeah.
You mind your business.
Joey, I told you.
Joey! Who's Joey?
You're Joey.
You know, I still get that feeling when this guy's like blowing his whistle. There's like a lifeguard telling somebody not to splash in the water.
Well, next Friday, we're doing swimming lessons.
Oh, yep. Well, for both your guys' grades, I signed permission slips the other day for swimming.
Really?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You just gotta let me know when you need your, you're gonna have to remember when you need your bathing suits and stuff. Now for school though, Addison, you're the one that's gone swimming during school, right?
Yeah.
2-piece or 1-piece? Have you seen anybody wear a 2-piece?
I've seen people.
Did they get like in trouble or anything?
No.
This isn't, their policies here sometimes are a little flexy.
My 2-piece just like covers my body.
Whoa, that's how you know it's fall, man. Look how super bright that sun is this time of the morning here. All right, get that door started. And boom, you guys are ready to hop out. Wait for the officer. Have a happy day, Ari.
Have a happy day, Daddy.
Good morning, Ari.
Have a happy day, Addison.
Good morning, Addison.
That girl never replies to me. I don't know if it's her just trying to be different than her brother or what. She never says anything to me on the way out. Probably, of the two, she's the one that absolutely hates going to school. I mean, she practically hates me for forcing her to go to school. That's not how this system works. But you're just gonna go anyways. Oh. Oh boy. Well, thank you guys for watching this video today. The babies are at school at Learning Gate Community School. Down in the link, there's a link in the description below to donate to this school. They do serve the community and need your donations. So if you love the idea of a green school, click that link in the description below. Hey, if you're brand new to the channel, this is our new Justice 3 family channel. Drop a like on this video and subscribe. See you guys on the next drive.
Everybody's crying baby about this.
It's so hot. It's so hot. The extra's real. Yeah, the extra's real. It's real.